Hello guys, it's Ryan here again. Today I just want to talk about how to troubleshoot the heated seat in the BMW. I tried to fix my car, but I had a problem with the seat inside itself, so I have to get one of these. So let's straight to the point. So let's get in here. So when your car and you press the heated seat and it turns off like that. There's something wrong with it. So I can't hear clicking underneath my car. So that's a sound of relay for this. So when you press this button, the circuit actually not connected to this. It actually sends a signal to control module underneath of my seat, and it activates it. So actually the BMW have a fuse box. I checked it. The fuse box has a fuse there for a seat control and a heat motor, but they are together with a 20 amp, or I believe a 20 amp or 30 amp. I forgot what it was. But so if your fuse blown, the seat shouldn't move together either, because they are connected in one fuse. So if your seat is properly moving, the most chance the fuse is not blown. So what that means, so you got a two case pretty much. So either you have the electric heat seat there's the electric circuit underneath here, and it's a heating element. So when the current flow, it creates a heat, right? It generates a heat. And there is a control module underneath of the car. If you go under here, I'm not sure if you can see from here. But anyway, if you go underneath there with a light, there's a little like a computer box. That's like for the controlling, like, or the seat control. So so what you can do, so in this case the passenger side work. So what I did is I unbolted the seat mount from the rail, and I have to disconnect that control module, and I swapped them in both sides, and I still had a problem existed. But if your car, let's say let's say like you swapped it, and then now the driver's side is working again and the passenger side is like this, so then 100% you have a control module problem, you can search it in eBay and just buy for like, they're like $15. Like it's not expensive, like if you have a manual seat. But if you have a like me, you have a automatic like motorized seat, then it gets quite expensive, because the control motor is pretty big. It controls the servo motor for the seat control, the power seating. So like $80. But even though you changed it and the problem seems pretty still consistent, the symptom, most likely 100% I'll say the heating element in the seat is broken. The circuit is open now. So what it does is it detects the circuit open, and then it shut it off for the safety reason. They don't want like circuit shorted or anything open, because that could cause more damage to the car, could fire or anything. So it's a safety feature. And to fix this, you have to rip it apart, replace the circuit, or get a whole new chair if you can from the Facebook Marketplace or anything, or get something like this, one of this, and connect it to the this, just like how I did. It cost me $10 for doing this. So I did it with a cheap route, because it's just for winter time. And that's it. That's how you troubleshoot the heated seat. So if you have any questions, you can leave a comment. I'll reply, like, for your troubleshooting process. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.